Good evening, children.
Good evening, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, come back to the point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you a pattern. Look at the question pattern. Am I? Is he? Is she? Is it? Are you? Are we? And that should be last one. Are they? This is your pattern regarding to question. Children, make questions by using these patterns quickly. If you want to make questions, you may make questions easily. Thereafter, I will give you answer better. How to answer easily? Answer in no. Answer in no. Look here. No, comma, I'm not. I'm giving no type answers. No, he, is, his, she, is, she's, it, is, its. See. Now, at last, you have to use not. Come here. how to answer. Are we, are you, are they? We will learn here. No. Yo. Are. You are. No. We are. We are. No. They are. They are. See. And then we will use not. Okay. I have given you pattern regarding to questions as well as answers. Look here. Am I? Are you getting something? Children, am I late? Just go back. Am I late? Try to answer in no. No. You are not. Am I late? No. No. You are not. No, you are not late. I made a question with the help of this pattern am I. Am I clear? Am I clear? How to answer in no? No. You are not. No, you are not. No, you are not clear. I may answer. Children, look at the board and see the pattern regarding to question and then answers. Number 2, is he your dad? I want to ask you something. I want to know something about your father. Just make up a question. Is he your father? Is he your father? What will be your answer? How to answer in no? No. No. He's not. He's not my father. No, he's not my dad. No, he's my friend. Students, pay attention. Listen and learn. Listen and follow. How to make questions and then how to give answers. We are learning. Here, is he happy. Turn on your videos. Students, pay attention. Is he happy? How to answer in no? Just think about it. No. No. He's not. No. He's not happy. In short, you say, no, he's not. Is he at home? Is he at home? This is your question. Is he at home? Just try to answer in no. How to answer in no? Children, just type no. He's not. No, he's not at home. No, he's not home. Are you getting my points? Are you getting questions along with the answers? Students, pay attention. Next is she your mom? I want to ask. I want to know something about your mom, something about your mother. This will be my question. Is she your mom or your mother? Answer in no. Try to answer in no. No. She is not. No, she's not my mom. You may answer easily. You may answer. Well, children, try to learn. Something here. Is she there? Look at a boat. Look at this point. Is she there? Just try to answer in no. No, she's not. No, she's not there. Okay. Next is it? Make a question. Just use this pattern. Is it your pencil? Is it your pencil? Try to answer it no. No. Is not. No, it's not my pencil. No, it's not. I hope that everyone is understanding it well. Next is are. Just come back. Is it cold? There. Is it cold? There. Is it cold? No, 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 it's not. No, it's not. No, it is not cold. You may answer. You may answer quickly. Easily. Is it very hot outside? Is it very hot outside? Vaishnavi Singh. Sit properly. Listen. Look, listen, learn, and follow. Aryan Gupta. Come back to the point. Is it very hot outside? That was my question. How to answer? How to answer no? No. It is not. It is not very hot outside. It is not very hot outside. No, it is not. No, it is not. Are you getting my answers? Are you getting my questions? Just think about questions and answers. Number 5. Are you hungry? Little learners, take care. Are you hungry? Try to answer in no. No. Are you hungry? No, I'm not. No, I'm not hungry, but I'm thirsty. No, I'm not hungry, but I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty, not hungry. You may answer quickly. You may answer easily. Are you happy? Are you happy? Try to answer in no. No, I'm not happy. No, I'm unhappy. I'm unhappy. I'm not happy means what? I'm unhappy. Okay? Are you a student? Are you a child? Aryan Gupta, you don't know how to sit properly? How to look properly? You don't have manner at all? Aryan Gupta. I will just remove you. Check yourself. Are you a student? This is my question. Children, just try to think about it. Are you a student? Are you a child? Try to answer in no. Finally, I will tell you. No, I'm not. No, I'm not a student. No, I'm not a child. Answer is no. Here, look at number 6. Are we teachers? Are we teachers. How to answer in no? No, we are we are not teachers. We are students. We are students. But here we are learning how to answer in no. Okay? No, we are not teachers. Okay? Come back. Are we well? Are we well? This is a question. This is my question. How will you answer? How will you answer? Try to answer in no. No, no, we are not. We are not well. Are we well? We are not well. No, we are unwell. We are not well means what? We are unwell. Come back. Come back to number 6. Are Aryan Gupta, somebody is standing beside you? Ask him to sit. Are we happy? Are we happy? Are we happy? Try to answer in no. No, we are not. We are not happy. We are unhappy. Come back. Number 6. Are we okay? Are we okay? How to answer in no? Just try to answer in no. Children? No. We are not okay. No, we are not. Understand? Next is, are they students? Are they students? No, no, sir. No, they are not. They are not students. They are not. Are they teachers? Are they teachers? No, they are not teachers. They are not. Are they hungry? Come back to 7, number 7. Are they hungry? Just try to answer. No, they are not. No, they are not. They are not hungry. Okay? Now, I want to repeat all quickly. Look here, look at the board. Number one, am I late? No, you are not. Am I happy? No, you are not. Am I tired? No, you are not. Am I well? No, you are not. Number two, is he a student? Is he student? Try to answer no. No, he's not. Is he a teacher? Is he teacher? No, he's not. Is he happy? No, he's not. Is he tired? No, he's not. Is he at home? No, he's not. I'll come to you. Look at number three. Is she late? No, she's not. Is she your sister? No, she's not. Is she your mom? No, she's not. Is she tired? No, she's not. Is she there? No, she's not. Is she at home? No, she's not at home. Okay? Here we are learning questions along with the answers. How to make question, how to answer in no. We are learning together. Children, pay attention. Number four, is it new? No, it is not. No, it is not. Is it cold there? No, it is not. Is it hot inside? No, it is not. Is it happy? No, it is not. Is it there? No, it is not. Is it your sharpener? No, it is not. Is it your shutter? No, it is not. Well, children, try to understand questions as well as answers. Okay, we will move forward. Number five. Look at number five. Are you hungry? No, I'm not. Are you thirsty? No, I'm not. Are you a teacher? No, I'm not. Are you happy? No, I'm not. Are you at home? No, I'm not. Are you tired? No, I'm not. Are you at home? No, I'm not. Are you a student? No, I'm not. Okay? Try to grasp all quickly, easily. How to make questions, how to give answers easily. Okay. Come. Are we teachers? No, we are not. Are we players? No, we are not. Are we at home? No, we are not. Are we there? No, we are not. Are we tired? No, we are not. Are we thirsty? No, we are not. Are we well? No, we are not. Are we okay? No, we are not. That's enough for you. Make questions quickly, give answers easily. Well, children, come on, number 7. Are they happy? No, they are not. Are they students? No, they are not. Are they players? No, they are not. Are they late? No, they are not. Are they happy? No, they are not. Are they active? No, they are not. Are they dull? No, they are not. Are they good? No, they are not. It's very simple, very common pattern in the structure by which you may make questions, various questions, many questions easily. And thereafter, you will try to answer comfortably. Very simple, very easy for you. Okay? Now, look at the board. These are your structures regarding to questions. And here, look at those patterns are structures which are recording to answers, concerned answers. Okay? It's so easy. If you want, you may make many questions. As well as many answers. Okay, children? I'm going to interact. Okay. I'm going to unmute Arya Tripathi. Arya,
Yes, sir.
how are you, beta?
Sir, I'm fine.
Okay. Where are you, Arya?
Sir, I'm at home.
Okay. Okay. Arya,
Yes, sir.
just try to make at least 3 questions. How many? 1, 2, 3. Okay? You will have to use number 1, use this
am,
pattern. Am I. Please just start with the am I, and you just try to make at least 3 questions. Okay, I'm listening to you. I'm watching you.
am I hungry?
Am I
Am
happy?
I
Wait, Vida. Am I happy? Am I happy? Very good.
Yes,
Number
sir.
2, beta. Number 2, try to make another question by using this pattern. Am I?
hungry? Am I hungry?
Am I hungry? Am I happy? Am I hungry?
Am I late?
Am I late? Am I late? Thank you, Arya. Arya, now try to answer in no, beta. Am I happy? Am I hungry?
No,
Am I late? Please
I'm
answer in no.
happy. No,
What?
I'm unhappy.
No,
No, I'm not.
no, I'm not. No, I'm not happy. No, I'm not thirsty. No, I'm not hungry. No, I'm not late. Understand? No, I'm not
Yes,
late.
sir.
Means what? Listen to me, Arya. Students, be careful. No, I'm not late. Means what? No. No. Am I late? No. You are not late. You are on time. No, you are not late. You are on time. Am I happy? Answer? Answer, Innobita. Am I happy, Arya?
No, I'm not happy. No, I'm not happy.
No, this is my question. Hello, Bita. Arya, listen to me. Am I,
Yes.
am I, yes? Look at this point. Am I happy? So answering no, am I happy? What? Am I happy? No, you are not.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
No, you are not. Am I happy? No, you are not. Am I hungry? No, you are not. Am I late? No, you are not. Okay? Conversation begins between the two, I and you. Okay? So am I? It should be no, you are not. Okay, beta? Understand? And if you want to ask, am I late? Am I late? No, you are not late. No, you are on time. No, you are on time. No, you are not late. You are on time. Well, children, is there any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Arya,
No.
do
Yes, sir.
understand,
No.
beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mute yourself. It's all. That's all. That's enough for you. Take care. Study well. Goodbye.